Tedros, we saw the reports this morning that there's an outbreak in Beijing, and there are concerns that it is more vigorous. But secondly, the outbreak currently in Beijing has led to Beijing taking a decision to even close schools. It speaks to how serious the challenge is right now. Have you communicated with Beijing to get information? What's happening?
Yes, the first report came actually last week, a cluster of cases, around 50. And this week, as I have already said in my presser yesterday, more than 100 cases have been already reported from Beijing. And they're doing their best, and they're continuing to investigate what happened, and also taking measures that you have said, and we're following it closely. And this will be a problem in other countries too. After you have suppressed it, controlled it, there could be a resurgence of clusters or new cases. And that's why I said the public health arm in any country should be really strengthened. The early detection, testing, contact tracing, and so on. So when something like this happens, we mobilize quickly to identify, understand, and control it as quickly as possible. The same thing also has happened in other countries, and we expect this in other countries too. But we have to be prepared, and that's why we also say we will not be safe until all of us are safe. Even if some countries manage to suppress or control it, if the virus is raging in other countries, it can come back to the areas or the countries that have already controlled, suppressed it. So that's why the global solidarity is very important. And to really deny the virus a space.
Well, you can watch the full interview with Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus on African Perspective. That's tomorrow at 9 o'clock.